bucket. Put a hole in it.
Better not top it now.
Mike!
Oh crap.
That was good.
Dude, that was